quick continuation of the parrot story.
I own a parrot.
How come you own a parrot?
I hit a tree and got knocked unconscious, and we nursed it back to health. And I don't know if you know this, but if you catch a parrot, you cannot let it go, or else the other parrots will kill it. So you gotta keep it, like I did. And he likes weed. He likes smoking weed, and he's really loud in the morning.
I think you can get animal welfare on you for that shit, man.
I probably can. Oh, actually, yeah. Actually, you are not supposed to catch them, but
are you supposed to feed them weed?
Oh, probably not.
Medical.
Medical, yeah.
So go on. No.
I'm supposed to.
How do you know the parrot likes to smoke weed?
Because it's just like loud as fuck and mean as fuck until you smoke it out. And then it's super fucking nice. Stop videotaping me, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Can it roll joints?
No.
Alright, well, that's enough filming for today.
Can't talk.
Thank you very much. The parrots are gone.
The parrots are gone. But I heard that shit coming from like a mile away, dude.
Yeah, I thought it was those fucking owls we were talking about last night.